I'm Christina, and I'll be walking you through how to add and track your health data in Zamplo. Health data helps you keep track of any information related to your health metrics that you want to make note of. This feature is used to track specific health-related data such as blood pressure, weight, heart rate, hours of sleep, and even emotions. For this tutorial, we'll be adding the amount of water consumption taken. To begin, let's open your Zamplo app. From the tab bar, navigate to the bottom and click on More. Under My Health Tracking, you will see a list of options. Select on Health Data. Click on the Add button. Under Health Data, enter water intake, and under Unit of Measure, enter milliliters. Next, you have the option to choose your graph properties. Select a style and color of your choice. Click on the button Save, and that's it. You have completed adding your health data, and now it's ready to be recorded and tracked through your journals.